hair in my mouth. All right, guys, so we're gonna put this Sam's Choice Cola into a humidifier. Let's see what happens. Say, do you want to be full of pop? Oh! Yes! It is working. The hot air one is a go. All right, now we got the penguin waiting for it. All right. It is on. So let's find out how they taste. Kind of tastes like pop, like literally like Coca-Cola. It tastes like Coca-Cola. Try it at home. Tastes like Coca-Cola. So it doesn't actually smell too bad. It kind of smells like pop, like when you just take a sniff into your fountain soda or whatever. It kind of tickles up the nose. Actually, this is kind of one of the better ones. It's a skin treatment. Oh, this is good for your skin. Nice and sticky. So the hot air one. The hot air one doesn't smell very good. It smells like warm sugar. See, if you're a Coke fan, this is what you should have in your house. You gotta humidify your house with Coca-Cola. My mustache tastes like pop, like sticky nostrils. See, if you're a true Coke fan, this is what you have. Like, you gotta have this going in your house. You drink Coke, you have Coke memorabilia, but do you breathe it? All right, so what's the final verdict? Well, Sam's Cola or Coca-Cola, but it's not really. Isn't that bad. It's pretty good. So if you're a Coca-Cola fan or a Sam's Choice fan, fill your humidifier with it. Preferably the cold air humidifier seems to work better. So let's try the paper towel test to see what it tastes like. Get it all humidified. Being that Coke is kind of a darker color, I wonder if it's gonna get this napkin darker. All right, the taste test. Nope, tastes terrible. Now, if you have any suggestions on stuff we should humidify, leave it in the comments below. Just drink it.